वायरस ने इंडिया में एंटर कर लिया है? नहीं पता? क्या आपको ये भी नहीं पता कि एचएमपीवी वायरस है क्या? कोई बात नहीं, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर टुगेदर। सो सबसे पहले जान लेते हैं एचएमपीवी है क्या। एचएमपीवी इज ह्यूमन मेटा न्यूमो वायरस, जो कि इन चाइना में बहुत ज़्यादा फैल चुका है। इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ वायरस विच अफेक्ट्स द अपर एंड द लोअर respiratory organs. It causes the respiratory infections, right? So अभी करंटली अगर हम न्यूज़ में हमने देखा होगा कि एच एम पी वी वायरस इज़ hugely spread across China, and in UK as well we are getting cases of HMPV. Now let's see how can we get to know that we are infected by HMPV virus. So, in the initial 3 to 5 days, the symptoms which will be shown would be something like a flu. Like, you have sneezing, a bit of coughing, then you have headache, then you are dizzy at times. So, these are some of the symptoms, like what happens in cold, right? You have sore throat, like that. But in the cases where the virus has entered your respiratory tract, so it gets worsened, and the severe symptoms we would be seeing at that point in time would be, you have fever, you have some breathing issues, you are suffering from bronchitis, or at times it leads to pneumonia as well. So it is something which is very common as a symptom, but it is to be taken care of at priority. अब बात कर लेते हैं कि ये जो एच एम पी वी वायरस है, ये सबसे ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट किसको करेगा। कौन वो लोग होंगे जो इसके द्वारा सबसे ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट होंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, यंगर generation, the young people below the age of 15, then the elderly people, after 50s and all, and somebody who has a very low immunity, and also somebody who has already being diagnosed with some kind of respiratory issues like asthma or pneumonia or like that. So these are the people who are the most affected by this type of virus. Let's talk about how it spreads. So it is basically a communicable type of disease, and it spreads through sneezing, getting the droplets of the infected person on the other person. It spreads through the direct contact with the infected person. Also, if you have this virus, uh, you are infected by this virus, we can say, so you need not to touch your nose, your eyes, your hands, like that, so that it is not communicated to the other person. As we all know that during COVID also we have faced many challenges in our lives, and during COVID, all the precautions which were taken care of that time, same has to be taken care of today also during the HMPV virus, because some of the symptoms of HMPV and COVID are similar. जैसे कि मैंने आपको इस वीडियो के शुरू में बताया था कि एच एम पी वी वायरस ने इंडिया में अपनी एंट्री कर ली है। सो एक केस आया है एच एम पी वी का, जिसमें एक 8 मंथ्स का बेबी है बैंगलोर में, जिसे एच एम पी वी डिटेक्ट हुआ है इंडिया में, एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट केस इन इंडिया. सो बी अलर्ट, बी सेफ,